Across America, in garages and driveways, classic car owners started noticing something strange happening to their freshly rebuilt engines. Engines that had run perfectly fine for decades were suddenly failing within just a few hundred miles of a simple rebuild. Camshafts, one of the toughest parts inside any engine, were wearing down and destroying themselves almost overnight. Mechanics were confused, engine builders were frustrated, and nobody could figure out why engines that had survived for 50 years were suddenly failing so quickly. The answer wasn't hiding in the engine at all. It was hiding inside something completely unexpected, the oil bottle sitting right there in the garage. Today, we're revealing the true story behind the flat tappet camshaft crisis that quietly wrecked countless classic engines across America. If you love uncovering real hidden truths behind classic American engines like this one, make sure to subscribe to our channel right now so you never miss another story like it. To understand this story, we first need to understand exactly what a flat tappet camshaft actually is and why it was used so widely for decades. Inside nearly every gasoline engine sits a camshaft, a rotating shaft covered in specially shaped lobes that control exactly when each engine valve opens and closes. This timing is absolutely critical for an engine to run properly and produce power. For most of automotive history, particularly in engines built before the early 1990s, this camshaft used what is called a flat tappet design. In this setup, a small, relatively flat metal component called a lifter or tappet sits directly on top of each cam lobe, sliding across its surface as the camshaft rotates. This sliding motion, rather than a smoother rolling motion, created a significant amount of friction and pressure, exactly at the point where the lifter met the camshaft lobe. This flat tappet design was simple, reliable, and inexpensive to manufacture, which is exactly why it remained the standard design used across countless American engines for decades, from ordinary family cars all the way up to the most powerful muscle car engines ever built. Because flat tappet camshafts created so much friction and pressure at the exact point where metal surfaces slid against each other, these engines relied heavily on a special ingredient found inside their engine oil. This ingredient was a chemical compound called zinc dialkyl dithiophosphate, almost universally referred to simply as ZDDP, or often just called zinc by mechanics and engine builders. This ZDDP additive worked in a remarkably clever way. Under the intense heat and pressure created between the camshaft lobe and lifter, this zinc compound would chemically react and form a microscopic, sacrificial protective film directly onto the metal surfaces. This thin protective layer absorbed the extreme friction and pressure, preventing the actual metal components from grinding directly against each other and wearing down prematurely. For decades, motor oil manufactured throughout America contained generous amounts of this critical zinc additive, and as a result, flat tappet camshafts inside countless engines survived reliably for hundreds of thousands of miles, without any unusual wear problems. Engine builders, mechanics, and everyday drivers rarely even thought twice about this hidden, protective ingredient. It simply did its job quietly, decade after decade, without ever drawing much attention. Starting in the 1970s and continuing more aggressively through the following decades, the American automotive industry underwent massive changes driven by strict new emissions regulations. Car manufacturers were now required to install catalytic converters, devices designed to significantly reduce harmful pollutants released through a vehicle's exhaust system. Here is where this story takes an unexpected turn. Engineers eventually discovered that the very same zinc additive protecting flat tappet camshafts inside engine oil was actually causing serious problems for these new catalytic converters. When engine oil containing zinc eventually burned or leaked into the exhaust system, even in relatively small amounts, this zinc could contaminate and significantly shorten the lifespan of these expensive catalytic converters, causing them to fail prematurely. Faced with this conflict, oil manufacturers and regulatory agencies made a difficult decision, beginning gradually through the 1980s and 1990s, and becoming increasingly aggressive by the early 2000s. The amount of zinc allowed in regular motor oil was dramatically reduced. This decision made complete sense for protecting modern catalytic converters and reducing harmful emissions. However, almost nobody fully considered the serious consequences this would eventually create for millions of older classic vehicles still relying on flat tappet camshaft designs. By the early 2000s, classic car owners, engine rebuilders, and performance shops across America began noticing a disturbing and confusing pattern. Engines that had been carefully and correctly rebuilt, sometimes using brand new, high-quality camshafts, were suddenly failing within just a few hundred miles, something that almost never happened in previous decades. Mechanics would carefully inspect these failed engines and discover something alarming. The camshaft lobes themselves had literally worn down, flattened, or in especially severe cases, completely destroyed themselves. A failure mechanics grimly nicknamed wiping a lobe. This kind of catastrophic, rapid camshaft failure had been extremely rare for decades, yet now it was happening with alarming frequency. At first, this created genuine confusion throughout the automotive world. Engine builders initially suspected manufacturing defects, incorrect installation techniques, or problems with valve spring pressure. It took considerable time and investigation before the automotive community fully connected these widespread failures to the dramatically reduced zinc content now found in regular, off-the-shelf motor oil. Once dedicated engine builders and performance enthusiasts finally identified the true cause, everything suddenly made sense. Modern motor oil, specifically formulated to protect today's catalytic converters and comply with strict emissions regulations, simply no longer contained enough zinc to properly protect older flat tappet camshaft designs during the critical engine break-in period and beyond. This discovery led to a significant shift throughout the classic car and performance engine building community. Specialty oil companies began producing dedicated high-zinc oils, specifically formulated and marketed for classic engines and flat tappet camshaft applications. Engine builders began strongly recommending these specialty oils, particularly during the critical initial break-in period, when a new camshaft is most vulnerable to this type of premature wear. Understanding this issue also completely changed how mechanics approached classic engine rebuilds. Rather than simply grabbing whatever motor oil happened to be available at a local auto parts store, knowledgeable builders began carefully selecting oils with proper zinc levels. Understanding that this seemingly small detail could genuinely mean the difference between an engine surviving for decades or failing catastrophically within just a few hundred miles. Even today, this issue remains critically important for anyone working with classic American engines featuring flat tappet camshaft designs. Countless classic muscle cars, hot rods, and vintage vehicles built before the 1990s still rely on the same fundamental camshaft technology, meaning millions of vehicle owners across America need to understand this hidden danger to properly protect their engines. This story also serves as a powerful reminder of how interconnected different areas of engineering and regulation can genuinely be. A decision made specifically to protect modern emissions equipment inadvertently created serious problems for an entirely different category of vehicles, problems that took years for the automotive community to fully understand and properly address. This remarkable story teaches us something valuable that extends far beyond just camshafts and motor oil. It reminds us that changes made with good intentions in one area can sometimes create unexpected consequences in completely different areas. Consequences that aren't always immediately obvious or predictable. It also reminds us how important genuine understanding truly is. For years, engine builders faced mysterious, frustrating failures without understanding the true underlying cause. It took dedicated investigation, careful observation, and a genuine willingness to look deeper before the automotive community finally uncovered the hidden connection between reduced zinc oil additives and widespread camshaft failures. We hope you enjoyed uncovering this incredible true story today. If you want us to bring you more amazing true stories about hidden engineering secrets and forgotten truths behind classic American engines, let us know in the comments which one you would like us to cover next. See you in the next video, and take care until then.